And we are back, guys. We're going to take another look at another knife here. This is a German Springer. I'm going to say this a lot, don't know too much. There's so many knives, and my collection, my family's collection, it's just, I used to be on my knife game really good, but not anymore. I'll be learning as we go, and hopefully as this channel grows, we can figure out some more things about these. So we have a German Springer here. Let's take a look. So this is the Guardian Hubbard Solargen, Rostafria, Germany. Just a little type blade. I'm digging the blade on that. I like that. That's my style, guys. Bone handle. I don't know if this is real bone. I'm not too experienced in the bone handles. We do have quite a few blades in the collections with bone handles, but I don't know. But this thing is really pretty. It's pretty solid. It's got these little hilts on there. Are they battered? Not yet. They're not battered hilts yet, guys. Beautiful edge on this thing. Ooh, yeah. This thing is pretty cool. This is something you don't really see every day, or maybe too often. I really like this Springer here, guys. Take a close look at it. It does have a decent spring in there. When we store these, we keep the blades open, so there we go. It doesn't have a brass liner, which I find weird. I don't know. Don't know, guys, but it's really well made. It's really cool, and yeah, there we have it. There's a Springer for you boys. There is going to be a shitload more knives coming up on this channel as time goes by. Alright, see you guys soon.